Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing another drawing video. We're doing this dope ass horse. And it looks pretty dope honestly. So I'm probably not gonna draw it exactly because I don't really like copying other people exactly. So yeah, I drew a wolf. But there isn't no picture to compare it to. I mean, I could show you that. I can show you that right now. So, I'll see you when I'm done with the horse. Alright, see you guys. So I'm just done with the drawing of the horse. See, that's the head right there. You're probably wondering if I drew on the bed. No, I just put it right there because my bed's way cleaner. So yeah, that's the head. That's the hair. It looks so bad on camera. I don't know why. You can't see all the detail, and then I did that. Well, if you see the picture, it does not look like that at all. I did half body. The head's more down. Yeah, I just did many differences. I put three of these things. I didn't put that much detail on this. And right here, I changed it a little bit. So, I'll show you the wolf now. Because, yeah. This is the horse, though. Finishing thing right now. Still horse. And then, this is the wolf. It was a normal wolf. Then I changed it into a robot wolf. It looks pretty dope. I tried to search anything up that looked kind of like this. No, I didn't find anything at all. So bye guys. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And subscribe so you can join the gaming gang. Peace.